AG Saha, CTO of Redica Systems, thanks for coming to the Snowflake offices today.
Hi Felipe, thank you for having me here.
Yes, I'm very excited because I know you have a demo about Redica Systems, but before we go there, what is Redica Systems?
So I will describe Redica Systems as a SaaS company that's building products for life sciences with the mission to empower the champions of quality and regulatory professionals with actionable data insights. Now I know that's a mouthful, so let me demystify a little bit. So we develop software products that are built on top of a unique proprietary data platform powered by Snowflake, where we process millions and millions of records from hundreds of data sources that comes from health agencies as well as other regulatory bodies, where we are deduping the data, doing entity resolution, creating a golden records, creating linkages between data, and then serving that with an application workflow to solve very specific problems. These products are developed for primarily life sciences and mostly focused on a lot of pharmaceutical use cases. So some example use cases will be preparing for an inspection or preparing for some sort of audit or monitoring the supply chain risk in terms of quality, how the suppliers are doing all over the world, whether there are any sort of enforcement actions that are being taken by regulators around the world, as well as there is a regulatory surveillance, which means how rules, regulations and standards are changing and how does it impact me as a professional in the life sciences vertical. We are also now expanding into medtech or medical devices where we are developing new products around pre-market and post-market intelligence.
Wow, so let me summarize it. Life sciences, regulation, actionable data, and all powered by Snowflake.
Right. We call it a quality and regulatory intelligence platform powered by Snowflake.
Great, and you have a demo for us.
I do have a demo that we can get into today.
Let's get into the demo.
So here you see our web application. This I'm showing all the inspections. So there are almost close to 1 million inspection records that we have within our platform. But let's say I am only interested in certain industries, which is human drugs and biologics. So I can go and filter this data. That brings down the number of inspections to considerably a lower number, but within that, let's say I am only interested in certain types of inspections that are related to pre-approvals, because that's the use case I am researching for or preparing for. Now when I filter by pre-approval inspections, I do see there are about 7,000 inspections that are available, and then I can go through this list. I can filter it down even further by dates, by various other parameters, or even by sources where this inspection originating from. Or I can look through this list and then let's say, okay, I see something with a red color, looks like there may be some interesting nugget that I can get out of this inspection and prepare for my own inspection. So I can go and check the details about this inspection. So within the inspection profile page, we show a lot of information around where the inspection happened, which site, what were the outcome of the inspection, what was the duration of the inspection, a lot of properties around the site where the inspection happens, and then the investigators, like who were the investigators that conducted this inspection. And as I was talking about this linkage of entities, as you'll see, it also shows everything that's linked to this inspections. There is this enforcement actions that has been taken, or there are associated documents that has been issued out of these inspections. I can go and look at one such document. This is an example of a 483 document in life sciences world. This is a very important inspection and enforcement documents that FDA gives out after the conclusion of the inspection if there are certain observations that are considered as violation of certain rules or regulations. Now we do see a lot of information around these documents that doesn't come directly out of the source, but these are all enriched by Redica Systems. Like we tag the observations within this with certain primary issues, which helps identify which area of quality do I need to focus on. And then you can go and look at the actual document, as well as take the observations out and make it easy to read, and then also tag it with this what we call the quality system labels. Like for example, here it says observation 2 is related to facilities and equipment design and equipment related things. So if that's something I should be thinking about, I can send this to the concerned team and have them prepare for it. Now let's again go back to the inspection profile. I was talking about that we also show the investigators involved. Now let's say I want to research about this investigator Eric W. Quester. So I can look at his or her profile. It shows us how many inspection that person has done, what are the associated documents related to this inspection, as well as what kind of actions do they take out of the inspections, like how many warning letters they have issued or how many 483 they have issued. And then you can go and look at what are some of the top cited categories that they have within the quality systems, what are the regulations that are cited most from their inspections, as well as compare them against the average citations for other FDA inspectors. So here, as you can see, this person focuses on facilities and equipment a lot. So that gives you a lot of insights or a lot of data points to start preparing. And not only now this particular to this inspection, you can look at every other inspection this person has done and continue to dig through this data a lot more and prepare for your own inspections. Now, apart from this very pointed kind of analytics, we also have broader dashboards that are around trends or very dynamic and interactive that you can run and get insights out of this platform.
Thanks for showing us how Redica System works. There's so much data and you make it look so simple. And I guess it's a lot thanks to how Snowflake lets you scale up and gather all this data.
Yeah, that's the beauty of the data platform and having the right cloud data platform powered by Snowflake, which simplifies this very complex data that comes from multiple sources into simple insights and connected insights.
That's great. And for people that want to learn more, where should they go?
So the best place to learn about the company will be our website, redica.com. And to learn more about me within the website, you will find our team related information, and from there a link to my LinkedIn profile.
Thank you, AJ, and thank you for coming today. Thanks to everyone for tuning in. If you want to watch my full conversation with AJ, go to the link below. Also go to developers.snowflake.com for more developers content, and remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.